Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shay Amour here, and today's video is part 2 of branding your packaging and business. In the first video I already have uploaded, it was showing how I brand my packaging and my skincare business. So in that video it will show you a lot of information on how you can brand your skincare business if you do have one. So this video is going to be about how I brand my packaging and my cosmetic business. If you guys do not know, I have several businesses under one umbrella, which is Amour Luxury CO. And under that, I sell skincare, apparel, cosmetics, hair, as well as wigs. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I create different branding for my cosmetic business. So if you guys are interested, definitely keep watching this video. So before we get into the actual video, so in this case today I'm wearing melanin, and it is this. I actually got some new tubes for my lippies. So this is part of the Creme de la Creme lippy collection, which is on my site. It is a very pigmented chocolate brown, deep brown shade, and it's glossy and shiny on your lips. So you both you get both the color as well as the shine or gloss for your lips. And then of course what I'm wearing is one of my two-piece sets. This is the copper knit lounge set. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. One of the first things that you need to think about when you have a cosmetic line and when it comes to branding is you need to make sure you have your logo, slogan, anything about your company on all of your products. So as you guys can see, this is actually one of the gloss tubes that I use for my cosmetic business. And of course, I am using my logo, making sure that my logo is on every single one of my tubes. These lippies are from my cream nude collection. There is 4 in total. The one that I'm showing you right now is Bombshell. All of these are really creamy and smooth nude glosses. The logo, or basically the label that I'm putting on the tubes, I created myself using canva.com, and then I went ahead and printed them out on my printer using online labels. So yeah, it's pretty easy to make your own labels, really inexpensive. Oh na na na, 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 yeah. One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah, the sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Labeling all of my tubes. I do have several different tubes. So as you saw in the previous clip, it was my clear wine tubes, and then I have my gold tubes for my Creme de la Creme lippies, which are the very pigmented glosses that I have. I do also have my lip glazes or glazed lippy collection in the clear wine tubes as well. And I made sure that I applied the same logo to all of the tubes. And then the last tube that I have are squeeze tubes. These are my 15 ml. If you are going to have gloss boxes for your tubes, you need to make sure that you include your branding on these as well. I do carry several lip gloss boxes for my cosmetic tubes. I do have some for my small squeeze tubes that actually go in my gloss bundle boxes. And then I also have the bigger tube boxes for my wand tubes. If you guys do not remember, I do actually have a video showing you how you can make your own gloss boxes at home. You don't actually have to go out and purchase from a company. You can actually make them yourself. So if you guys are interested in seeing that video, I will link it down below in the description section.
Body saying nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, body. I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. I don't know. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard. On the low, bounce around, 2 different jobs. Oh, but you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here. But you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down and you better not. Baby girl, I know you.
Okay, so beside from carrying lippies or lip gloss tubes, I also have gloss bundle boxes. I actually carry 3 different gloss bundle boxes. So if you're going to carry other products within your cosmetic business, like I stated before, you need to make sure that you're branding those boxes or as well. So these are my medium gloss bundle boxes. They come with 10 different lip products. I thought this was a great addition to my cosmetic line versus me selling only the single lippies. I also sell 3 different styles of the gloss bundle boxes. There's a deluxe one, which I will show you guys towards the end of the video, and then I have this one. So I actually made these boxes myself using cardstock as well as clear sheets, and I just load random lip products that I've created that are no longer a part of my exclusive cosmetic lines, but I still include them in the gloss bundle boxes. So my customers are still able to get the previous glosses that I've made when I first started my cosmetic line. So once again, if you are going to include gloss bundle boxes for your cosmetic line, you need to make sure that you're branding these type of boxes as well. So I include a sticker label inside the box, and pretty much all it has is my logo, and then it just has like a really cute message. It says, warning, this package is filled with adorable goodies. You may experience cuteness overload. I thought this was a really cute thing to kind of include in this in my gloss bundle boxes. The way that I made these sticker labels is I created it in Canva, and I printed them off using Avery circle sticker.
You do what I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. No one should judge. No one should. Girl, I gotta tell you the best from time. I just had to get that off my chest. Hope you don't mind. No. I mean, who am I to judge you? Take your time, girl. I mean, who am I to rush you? Baby, fall in love with you. Oh. Ooh. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh.
So the next thing I'm actually showing you are my Deluxe gloss bundle boxes. The same thing that I do with all my other products is the same thing that I do for my Deluxe bundle box as well. As you can see, I included a branding sticker inside the box. I also made sure that all of the products that are in this box have my branding or logo on it as well. So with the deluxe bundle box, you get 15 different lip products in these boxes. Now, even though these boxes do not have a lot of branding on it, they still actually do. One thing about my cosmetic line or my branding is it's more of like a girly experience. So anytime my customers do purchase something from me, one, they feel like they're opening up a gift, because if you guys did not know, branding, it all ties into one, making sure that all your products can be identified by a potential customer or a customer that you already have. Also, it's the experience that your customer gets when they do receive your products, when they go on your website or your social media. So the last thing before I get out of here, I wanted to actually show you my cosmetic flyer. So this is the flyer that I use for anytime someone purchases an order from me. Of course, a thank you flyer is part of your branding as well. So yeah, you guys, this is pretty much it for the video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope my video kind of helped you guys in some type of way. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. Make sure you guys follow me on my other social media outlets. I will leave it all down below in the description section. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.